Hey creatives! Today we are diving into designing a sleek coffee menu screen and bringing it to life with smooth animations in Figma. Let's blend design and motion for a truly delightful UI experience. I've prepared all the elements, including icons, color palettes, footer, and coffee images. First, let's create a color library so it's easier to design consistently. Now we will take a mobile frame and start designing the header. Next, take a rectangle to prepare the background and apply a color to it. Then, create an ellipse and give it the same color as the rectangle. Now, select the ellipse, copy and paste it. Then select the bottom ellipse, make it larger, and send it to the back. Next, bring in all the menu items and arrange them on the darker part of the background. Select the dark ellipse, copy and paste it. Then select the top ellipse and adjust it to create a smooth curved shape and color it. Take a large-sized frame and position it on the screen accordingly. Create an ellipse, apply a color to it, and place the image on top of the ellipse. Place the coffee information below the image and align it neatly within the design. For the second image, create another ellipse and place the image within it, aligning it. Move the frame to the side of the screen. Create 2 more ellipses with images placed inside, similar to the previous design. Group all the images with the ellipses below them. This part is important for prototyping. Turn the frame into a component and create one variant of it. Adjust the image group within the component and update the coffee information as needed. Now create another variant of the component and repeat the same process. Now, add a prototype to the component. Link the interactions between the variants so that when users click, they transition smoothly between the different states. Take the prepared component and place it in the menu screen, positioning it accordingly within the design. Let's check the prototype and see if everything transitions smoothly. Since I have already created the hot coffee and drinks components, let's now build the screen by placing these components in a clean, organized layout. Ensuring everything aligns properly for a cohesive design. Adjust the curves of the menu accordingly, and apply a radius to the corners to give it a smoother, rounded look. For a smooth animation between the three screens, create Senson simple transitions in the prototype. Link the screens with these steps. If you liked this video tutorial, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Leave your comments below for any feedback or questions about the tutorial.